Hey you guys, Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and what we've got ourselves is an apartment too. 3-bedroom, stairway, and front room and family room area that we're cleaning up. Pretty standard, straightforward. We're doing our Clean Supreme, our best carpet cleaning in Vancouver that we can possibly do. Now, what we do is we do a three-phase process. One is our super pre-vacuum, just to get as much debris up out of the carpeting as possible, which we've already done throughout the entire house. Got all that debris up, and then we go back and we pre-spray. Today we're going to be using a sodium carbonate and peroxide solution, and downstairs we're going to be using a Commercial Magic, which is more geared towards more like plastic carpets. These are olefin carpeting that is in this place, so we're going to use up the rest of the remnants that we have here left over from yesterday that we made up and we're using. Typically the upstairs is the least soiled, however there is some spots here. I'm hoping that this is just water-based stuff sitting next to the sink, or the tub, so we'll see what happens. Get this cleaned up looking great, and then we'll move downstairs just to do a little bit more debris, because that's where people walk into their house, if they wear shoes, all that debris is coming up, and generally by the time they come upstairs there's a lot less debris coming up the stairs. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And then phase 3, we fire up our truck, run our hoses and lines into the house, and then we do a powerful truck mounted steam cleaning in phase 3, just to be the icing on the cake to get the place looking absolutely awesome. So one advantage that we do have over this 3-phase system is that the agitation that we perform, it does super accelerates the soil suspension process, so that allows us to use far less water than typical steam cleaning. So carpets dry a lot faster, and you still get awesome results, same awesome results, and sometimes even better, because the agitation is able to get in there and scrub deep down on the carpeting a lot more than just spraying it down and running a wand over it. So go the extra mile and do an extra mile worth of cleaning. And this here is phase 2, stage B. We put down a pre-spray. Now we are agitating to do the soil suspension. As you can see, all the debris and nasties that are down here on the floor. We're going to go ahead, we engage this sucker by pretty much just pulling down on the handlebar. You can see the wheels down there, kind of rotating brushes are turning and gently grooming on the carpets. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go over this probably in 2 different directions, just to make sure it's very thorough and clean, and then show you some after results. Hey you guys, with just the scrub from the CRB, we were actually able to lift out pretty much everything. In fact, a little bit that's still down there, I think it'll just come out and rinse out with water, and if not, a little bit of Hall gel will break that down, and I'll sweat. And pretty much all of the mascara or whatever it was on the floor pretty much came out. And so again, I'm thinking a little bit of hot water will probably rinse it right out. And this right here is probably the only spots that are really in here. So yeah, looking really good. So yeah, we might have to treat just a couple little spots here and there, but that's why we carry around a spotter with us. That right there is a 3-phase process right there. Hey you guys, these area rugs are 5-star reviews. Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning, Southeast Portland area. Got any questions or concerns, give me a call, 503-939-0534. God bless, and catch you in the next video.